How to select carpet that can be easily maintained. Dear friends, when you're choosing carpet for your home or office, your selection criteria should include more than just looks or style. For most people, long-term value is crucial. Choosing a carpet that can be easily maintained in addition to looking good will save you time and money. High-maintenance carpet stains easily, is expensive to clean and has a shorter lifespan. Luckily, many options are available that are both stylish and functional. Carpet height. An important factor in determining the best carpet for you in terms of maintenance is carpet height, which depends on your needs and how much traffic you expect the carpeted area to bear. The various materials and types of carpet have different levels of loops in the fabric that comes up from the carpet base. Cut and loop carpet varies in height, the material is cut down to form textures or designs. Multi-level carpet also varies in height and can be intricate or simply designed. Level loop carpet is smooth and even. This is the easiest to clean and maintain, as it provides less area for dirt and debris to lodge and is less likely to snag. Carpet material. The material comprising the carpet can make a big difference in maintenance. Options run the gamut from animal hair to plant material to completely synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are easy to clean and resist staining and crushing more than plant fibers, such as cotton or Saxony. Popular synthetic fibers include nylon and polyester. Wool, velvet and Saxony are natural materials that provide a variety of textures, but they don't offer much resistance to staining and other damage from liquids and soil. Carpet color. An often overlooked deciding factor in carpet maintenance is color. Before choosing white or light colors, remember that you want your carpet to both look good and function well. Medium dark carpet offers more resistance to visible staining and damage than lighter carpet does because it hides problems better, but synthetic carpets can fade with lots of exposure to natural light. So depending on the room you're carpeting, a dark color might hide stains and damage better, but it might fade quicker. Material density. Also important is the density of the carpet material. Whatever the material, carpet consists of a flat sheet called a backing or mat through which fibers are braided, twisted or inserted. The more fibers per inch too, the longer a carpet will hold up to traffic and wear. However, high-density fabrics can be hard to clean. A good rule of thumb is that the carpet should be dense enough that you can't see the mat below it upon close inspection. If it's too dense, though, cleaning becomes an issue. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.